Hi, I am Red, and I welcome you to my world in 3, 2, 1.
Guys, this is our first date to our live out, staying with my friends. Hello, say hi. She's our Yaya. She will going to cook. She's cooking our food for the day. And then I'm going to slice the mango right here. And then we have here the noodle. And wait, let's check the laundry girls. Okay, let's open the door right here. And then the laundry. Eh, she's not here. Let's check the bedroom. Wait. This is our room. Wait. This is Barney. Say hi, Barney. This is her room. And this is my room, not yet fixed. And where is Luffy? Luffy's room is right there. It was mine, but I changed my mind because there's ants. So Luffy's room is first here, but we change again. I think nasa CR ba si Luffy?
Sa labas.
Wala dun sa laundry.
Ako sa hayop ko yun, baka lumabas.
Babe, she's not in the bathroom.
Ito is straight.
Where's Luffy? Nasa si Luffy?
Sa labas.
Ano na? Wait, guys. I can't find Luffy. Help me find Luffy. The kitchen is for everyone. I can see her. She's supposed to be here, but I can see her. Wait. Maybe she's outside smoking. Aray, pusa. Wala. Ayun. I saw her. I found her. Wait. Aray. Babe! Sino kasang ka? Yeah, this is my friend Luffy. She's also staying with us in our house to house. So say hi. This is
Nakita ko si Alexa, babe.
We are now outside, and my vlog become here outside. This is our first day, and you know what? A lot of tenants are complaining because we are so noisy.
This guy is the queen.
She's also doing her video.
We're looking for a girl.
There's eviction
named
here, right
Alexa.
there.
I saw her. Nakita ko talaga siya, babes ba?
Babe, nakita ko din pero wala tayong bra.
Ayun siya, oh.
Babe!
Ayun,
Alexa! Hindi siya! Alexa! Alexa! Siya ba yan?
Oo.
Hindi siya yan.
Alexa!
Alexa!
Flor de Lisa!
Flor de Liza! Flor de Liza! Dito siya si Flor de Liza!
Hindi ba siya yun?
Okay ka ba, babe?
Seryoso?
She thought she saw her friend, but...
Kuya, do you have itlog? Do you have itlog?
Kuya, you still okay? How's your date tomorrow?
Do you have itlog?
Say hi to my vlog. Hi, vlog. Hi.
Do you have itlog, kuya?
Do you do delivery?
Kuya, say hi.
Oh.
Hi, hi.
Hi, hi.
Where are you from, kuya?
Wala. India?
India, Kerala.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Ang init naman. Ay, ayan o yung bata. Say hi.
Gago pagalitan ka mamaya ng ano. Babe, mainit. And you see my pimple, buset. Look at the... We are here in Satwa.
Utang niyo lang to talaga yun to.
Satwa...
Manganganak ka na ba?
Oo, sa'yo nang galing to. So, nauna ka nang nakakayop ka. Hi, baby. Say hi.
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 Kuya. Kuya.
Oh, wag...
Say hi.
Malis Buninay! Si Buninay tumatawag! Okay, say hi. Tapos nagalit yung asawa niya. Babe, nawawala yung bahay. Nagpa-practice naman tayo ng promotion. Hi! Galit, babe.
Bakit nagalit?
Hair cutting for
Guys, to those who want
to have their hair
Haircut.
trim, cutting. We have here only 5 dirham. Saan ba to? Gent Salon. In Gent Salon.
located at Gem Salon at Alzamal Albiam. Ayan. Say hi. Sabihin mo sa kanya message. Ay, napagbahin ka!
Andito na. Oy, halika kayo dito. Sama. Hoy!
Yelo.
Yung mga kaibigan po namin, ayan. Maali ka na. Near din po kami. In front po kami sa grocery.
Say.
Hi, bebe. Say hi.
Say hi.
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 Sasapukan yan, babe.
Expensive.
Hello.
Hello, Baba.
Hello, baba.
Only small. Be, bumili ka nga muna ng yelo.
What, baba? Free ice?
Yes.
Marami?
What is this?
It's vlog. It's vlog.
Marami? Marami ice?
Yeah.
Say hi to our vlog.
Hi.
How can we get that?
What, baba? What you said, baba?
Huh.
What you said?
Sige, give me.
Sige, sige.
you
Sabi niya, ilang piraso? What you said, baba? Ilang piraso?
Kumuha ka na doon.
How many pieces?
Kumuha ka na.
He knows Tagalog.
Kano?
Yeah.
Magkano ng pera?
Sham.
Siyam.
Ang yelo?
Oh, siyam daw. Oh, galing kuya.
Kasi lahat.
Bravo! Bravo! This is Barney. This is Brunei. Spicy. Spicy girls. Okay, who's who? Sino ang tupakin? Turo. Sino ang sensitive? Turo. Sino ang nawalan? Nawawala yung bahay.
Sino ang may banggali?
Ma!
Wala pa nga. Pero
Hello! Kalimutan ko po, pinaghiwa pa pula tayo ng mangga. Tapos,
ilagay mo to sa may picture ko.
may picture tayo? Okay, look what we have here. Diba? See? Si mango. Okay. So guys, we're going to slice the... Magaling ko talaga mag-slice. We're going to slice the... Ano ba tawag dito? Spring onion. Siyempre lang, but slow lang. Hindi tayo pwedeng magmadali. Kasi iba naman tayo. Ikaw maglalaba ka na, hindi. Anti ka pa doon, wala na. May isa pa? Isang set pa?
Sister, do you have the fried oil from the fish?
Yeah, I think the
Yeah.
one is good.
Or give me the tissue paper. This is for catching rat.
Ah, okay.
Oh, wow.
They're creating havoc in my...
Guys, tingnan si Bonita. Dumikit siya sa pangmuli ng langaw. Parang langaw ka na ba? Masarap ng pagkain. Kumain na, kain na. Success na yung aming food.
Gusto niyo mag-live tayo?
Diba? Babe,
Wait lang, magla-live ako.
sarap po. Sarap ng daing at saka itlog. Nagugas naman ng
Red, ito baso natin, Red. Oo. Ano ba? Pang-inang tong hayop na to naman.
Bunga nga mga.
Makain ka ng sarap ng pagkain, mga mura.
Kaya nga, pagtalikod ka. Tumalikod ka pag magmura.
Malay ko sa'yo. Ano ka doon kay ate ng kutsara?
Ang dami nilang problema. Pag walang pagkain, ang problema. Pag may pagkain, ang ingay pa rin nila. Minsan, I can't understand them. Ano nga yun? In English? Wow, ang sarap ng daing guys. Tsaka alam niyo, pinaka-the best ito. Mangga. Mangga na may bagoong.
Sabi, malaki ang sahod din sa Emirates. Pag napasok yun, siya kami na 10,000. Sabi nila, dapat
So, kain na tayo.
ibabakit nila ako. Ang ina mo, may babakit pala sa'yo hayop ka. Pagka na